In Wigan, many of us have spent this past month reflecting on hope, starting from World Suicide Prevention Day, which was on the 10th of September, and coming right through to today, which is World Mental Health Day.
It's a charity for children were brilliant. However, I was sent a booklet to go through and draw how my husband had took his own life with my children, who at the time were 2 and 5. You know, that I couldn't even function to make a cup of tea, let alone draw a picture of how my dad had died. So the reality was, I either went with him, which I was very close to, so I was suicidal all the time, with a plan, and I kept going, and I found my solace, because that's what our service is called, which I manage in Blackpool, in, which sounds ridiculous, social media. Because I would put things on social media, especially Instagram, and people would reach out to me and say, I've survived.